Do you? Lovely that, no wonder you go there, bloody hell, especially if it's nice and cool.
Most mornings.
Yeah.
Walking in the sand's a lot harder.
Yeah.
Where you lose more weight.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Bang.
What's that? Bang. Bang Beach, nice one. Go to Bang Beach, I'm saying there now. What a guy this man is here, Ian. Bloody hell, he's taking me on a ride mission. It's beautiful. Something what I couldn't. Yeah, I bet you do, I know, yeah.
You're both first.
Yeah, of course.
Now, number.
Yeah.
People pay for sunbeds and they don't need to.
Right.
But you learn all this.
Yeah. Bloody hell, what a place to live this is. Amazing. So we're just going on a bit of a mission. Ian's just going through the reds, he loves it. Solo travelling, meeting new people, amazing. Yeah. That's it. Can you not? And then they start charging?
No, they'll say, come in here, come back here.
Fuck off, one of them. That's a nice little van, isn't it? Bloody hell, brand new.
Start asking them to park up.
So Ian's going to park here, he says, you get charged here past here. No, you don't?
Yeah, look. Yeah, they'll ask you in here.
Oh, so they'll charge it in there?
You go in there.
Yeah, but you know little places close, right?
We go up the fucking back exit.
So Ian's going down all the little sneaky places, lived here for 8 months. So he knows the score, he knows where people are chatting. Yeah, alright. So he finds a little cheap place, well, 3 places where they can park. He knows the score, this man. We have this bike that breeze, it's so nice.
Yeah, freaked out, but we're not swimming in it.
Yeah, cool. Hello. Nice one, pal.
Yeah.
Is it? So this is where he's brought me now, to the nice little tourist beach, get a coffee again. Ambang, is it? Sandbang Beach. So guys, this is so nice.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
So look at this, guys. Class. So Ian here, he's brought me to this beach. Look at this. This is a tour guide. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. So he says this is quite a bit more of a touristy sort of beach. I'm just going to walk down and just have a look, mate. Look at that. Sand's amazing. Wow. You can see down here, like, it's a beautiful beach. Look at that. Amazing. They even give you a little thing to wash your feet with. Look at that, everything. Beautiful sea. What a place. That could be Dadang down there, maybe.
Hello, Danny.
Guy's amazing, man. He's bringing me to the best places. Look at that. Oh, nice one, pal. Look at this place. Sat here. Beachside bar. We're getting a coconut. It's just heaven, innit? Absolute heaven. So I'm just going to show you this menu here.
Gin and
Look
tonic,
at that.
85,000.
Yeah, yeah.
£3,
Wow.
which is cheaper than England.
So look at this, guys. This is on the beach. 55,000 fried egg, bacon, tomatoes, which is what, £1.50, £1.60, and you're literally eating it here. Like, you can't get any better. You literally cannot get any better. Chicken Caesar salad, 115, so you're looking at £3.50, and you're eating it on the most beautiful beach in the world. I swear to God. It really is, though, isn't it? Look at that. Gorgeous. We're going to have a walk?
You're going in?
All right, are we? Fucking hell, I'm going to get it from my phone. This. I want to see it. I want to show my mates and all that. A lot of my mates want to come here, but they're a bit wary of it now, and I'm like, why? Fucking get here.